today's really fun video. We're going to do a really fun one for Easter. I have some chocolate here that I have melted down. This is not tempered, so everyone can follow along with this tutorial. I have an inexpensive mold that I found on Amazon. You can also find these at local craft stores. And then I have some little metal clips. So I'm going to grab my little mold here, and I'm simply just going to fill this. So what we're making today is a 3D Easter egg. I'm going to fill this up. Okay, that's good. And then I take the top part of the mold, and this mold has little placement markers so that they line up on each side. Just line those up, which gets all of this perfectly aligned. And then you just simply take your little paper clips here and just get them onto the mold. So this is going to hold everything together. Make sure I'm on camera. Just like that. And then what you want to do, you want to just start moving that chocolate all the way around. Just like that. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to start moving that chocolate all over. Almost there. Just take your time doing this step because you want to make sure that you get that chocolate into all the corners. Almost there. I've got a little bit right here. Okay, that looks good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pop this into my freezer. I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to put a timer on, 10 minutes like this, and then I'm going to flip it over, another 10 minutes like that, and then one last time, and then I'm going to leave it there for 1 hour. After the hour, I'll bring it out and we'll unmold it. So here we are again. This is about an hour later. We'll remove our little clips. And then let's see if this comes apart nicely. Oh yeah, look at that. And let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice shine to it. And look at that. Our nice 3D Easter egg. You can see how easy it is to make this. That is super nice. Nice seams. Looks really awesome. And of course, you know, if you got children, they are going to have a great time breaking into this. So that's it for this really fast and fun tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish. So that's it for today, and thanks very much for watching. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.